What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a great day. We're going to be hooking up some LED lights today on the Shitbox. We just moved all the seats flat, and it's cool because in these GTIs you can actually flip the seats forward as well as down. So we got everything out of the way, and might as well plug the Instagram at Shitbox VR6. A lot of the updates will be on there for this, so we have plenty of space to work and run some wires. We're going to be removing this and possibly this for the next project, because there's another project we're doing with the backup camera. We need to remove all this stuff and take out all the wiring and mechanisms for the rear wiper, because we're going to delete that and mount a camera there instead, so we have a backup camera. So we are going to be probably moving a bunch of this stuff out of the way. There we go. Now we gotta get some trim pieces out, and we will be, we'll put this one over here like that. There we go. So we're gonna have to get some trim pieces out of here real quick. Obviously gonna have to move this back outside the car somewhere. So hopefully all the cameras are getting some sort of cool footage. I don't know how to, well, let's get this piece out first. Oh, and I got replacement clips for this as well. God dang. Try not to break anything. If I break a couple clips, it'll be alright. Ooh, there we go. She's out. We're gonna have to run some wire somewhere around here to go onto the top cover right here. So we might have to put that one back in there to kind of see where we're going to need it. I feel like this trim piece probably has to come out. We don't have that freaking cigarette lighter shit right here. Bam. Oh wow, that actually comes off a lot easier than I thought. Probably move this out of the freaking way, but okay. So we're just going to flap it open like that. Let y'all kind of in on the little secrets behind this thing. There's literally nothing except this thing. What's up? We got all these freaking LEDs right here. Here's your power source. Like, I really wish these all just disconnected and connected to this thing separately, because we got our power source there, and then you can see the mess we got. We're gonna have to take some of these things off of here, little twisty tied things. So that would be technically the front and back of the vehicle if you're hooking these up as underglow. These ones would be the ones that go on the sides, so you have two sections, because the sides obviously can be longer. On this car it wouldn't matter, because it literally just makes... Okay, so maybe I'm stupid. Okay, so who's calling me? Scam likely. We don't answer those calls. You can have your own fucking car warranty. We're gonna lay them all out, and then we'll be back with you and see what we get. As you can see, we have successfully wired almost all of it. Still got our connectors right here. Bam, 2 sets. We're gonna hook this right here somewhere, where it's gonna sit flush underneath the cover, hopefully. I feel like that could probably do. Maybe not. It's kind of flat there. So we might have to move this kind of over here in this little relief area. Kind of like that. Bam. Right there. Try to put her there. And we ran everything behind here on this factory wiring loom. We got one set over there, one set up there, and a single up here that will go on the back of the cover right there so it shines out. I'm going to use Velcro, because obviously 3M tape doesn't stick to interior stuff right here. So we are just gonna have to go for it. Everything's ran pretty clean, so you won't really be able to see any of these wires and stuff. They're gonna get tucked up, because these 2 long ones are gonna get put probably in the rear and the front, somewhere next to the seats somehow, where it looks good and you can't see the lights, hopefully. or I don't know. Maybe it look like shit. It's a shit box. I mean, fuck it, right? Alright, guys. So the way we're mounting this, right? We got these little hyper tough removable Velcro strips. They come with the hook and loop. And we're taking these pieces, cutting the little quick rip deals off them, and we are just cutting them in half down the middle, which is pretty much the correct length for, or the correct width for the strips these. That way we don't have to take this 3M tape off. And if it ever comes down to it, I mean, we just take it off and it'll stick extra good to it. But we have one mounted right here. Right there. Wire just coming out right here. And it's just mounted right there. Pretty centered. Yeah, I'll be alright. But if you're standing right here, you can't really see it that well. So, we'll see what happens, see if it looks good. We can just always take it down, it's Velcro. And maybe put it up here so it just shines down instead. But, so far I'm pretty happy with it. The way it's coming out. I think the other one we're going to mount right here. After we put the plastic trim piece back in. I was thinking about maybe putting one here, but the only way for me to do that is to come all the way up here, run it along here, and then put it right there. That works out pretty good, I think. Look at that. Got another strip ran. And if we need to, we can, I mean, it's hooked enough. Just kind of push on it a little bit. Should be good to go. And then, oh, drop my hat. We just grab a little bit of wire, and then we can legit got it. So we are literally just gonna stick this to the back of the wire. That worked out pretty well. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Again, I don't really need a switch. Why did I tape this? That's odd because we should have some sort of lights. Wait a minute. The last time it was used, I turned it off with the app. Last time this was on, apparently it remembered because I plugged it in to the power right here, and it was off. So I was like, huh, what's going on? Maybe there's a problem. So I open the app. You select which, hold on, sorry. There's a list here, if you guys can see that, of all the different things that you can use and have through Alpina. This is the newest version of their app. I mean, I'm sure it updates. I've had it for a while, just not getting to install this stuff. So these are called the Underglows RGB. You just select it, click on Found. It says it's connected. Then you just click on the connected part again, and then you can turn it on. Alright, so hopefully we recorded all that. The GoPro just like shut off. But I think it's gonna be it's gonna look pretty cool with everything the way it's gonna be in the back here. Now we just have to mount the fronts and kind of tidy up some wiring, and then go get some sleeving maybe to hide away the other wiring for the ones back here. The app is really cool, but we're gonna probably disconnect this for now so we can wire up the rest of this stuff, get the sub box back in here. And that's another reason I use Velcro, so I can remove this piece out of the back and then just kind of leave the LED strips in here, just because that's going to be a lot, I guess, easier for, you know, what we're doing. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. All my cameras are about to die, so we're going to take a break, grab some lunch in the house, hang out with the baby a little bit, and go from there. Alright, what's up, guys? Just got done eating some lunch. We plugged it back in, but we're going to put some clips in that thing, probably get it put back together here, and put back in, because we're done wiring this part. This part's all done. It just has to get buttoned back up here. And, well, let's see. What it's looking like is that we're just going to go ahead and hook this shit up because it's been 20 minutes. It could be on a 30-minute timer, but I doubt it. So, guess we'll figure it out. If it does, all I have to do is take that trim piece out and kind of go from there. So we're going to go ahead and get the heat gun and heat shrink around those two connections to make sure that we don't have any problems with it. We're just using so many cameras at this point. See if we can't get the quality of these videos to go up just a hair. Go ahead and close this baby up. Plug my old cigarette lighter back in, because you never know when you need one of those. Bam. What does that go up into? It goes up in there, huh? Get a little notch there. Gonna get this piece in there now. I'm gonna pry this clip out. So, this is what it looks like during the daytime with it open. And everything's closed up over here. Sub box is back in here and hooked up. And here's the other light. That's what it looks like with it closed. Alright. So we got it all put back together. The subs are back in. Everything's off right now. There's some over there between the seats and stuff. We're going to have to wait till it gets dark to kind of show y'all the whole deal. So, here we wait. It's only, I think, like 3 o'clock, 2:45 or something. So we're going to be waiting a while, probably about a couple hours at least. What's up, guys? So, got the old LEDs kind of going. I did stick the license plate at a little different spot for now. So that way when it's open, this is what it looks like. Got one stuck right here for now. Still working on placement a little bit. But I think it's going to work out pretty good. Especially the way these sit in here. Yeah, it just kind of comes out from underneath the seat like that. So, we'll kind of continue to... We're going to continue to perfect exactly where I want them placed and probably get some more even to do the rest of the car. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was probably kind of a long one. I'm going to try to make it not super crazy long. But, I hope you guys enjoyed regardless. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Like, share, subscribe. Right now. Hit the buttons, bell, so you guys get notifications. And you guys can watch all my videos. I'll see you in the next one.